tips for cleaning small businesses with dry vacuum cleaners. Suggestions for dry vacuum cleaning in small business environments. Cleaning small businesses with dry vacuum cleaners, especially those dealing with industrial environments or construction dust, requires effective equipment and techniques. Industrial vacuum cleaners are essential tools for maintaining cleanliness and safety in these settings. Here are some tips for cleaning small businesses with dry vacuum cleaners, including construction dust vacuum and commercial floor cleaning machines. Choose the right vacuum cleaner. Select an industrial vacuum cleaner that suits your specific needs. For construction dust, a dust extractor or a specialized construction dust vacuum may be necessary. Ensure that the vacuum cleaner has a strong motor and the appropriate filter for your cleaning tasks. Regular maintenance. Keep your vacuum cleaner in good working condition by performing regular maintenance. This includes cleaning or replacing filters, emptying dust canisters or bags, and checking for any clogs or obstructions in the hoses. Proper ventilation. When dealing with construction dust or other potentially harmful particles, ensure that the area is well ventilated. Use vacuum cleaners with HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air, filters to trap and contain fine dust and prevent it from being released back into the air. Read more. The hottest cleaning trend. Why everyone is talking about HEPA vacuums. Use appropriate attachments. Many industrial vacuum cleaners come with various attachments for different cleaning tasks. Use the right attachment for the job, such as crevice tools for tight spaces or upholstery brushes for soft surfaces. Follow safety protocols. When cleaning in industrial settings, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including masks, gloves, and safety glasses, to protect yourself from dust and debris. Planned cleaning schedule. Create a cleaning schedule that ensures regular maintenance and cleaning of your small business. Consistency in cleaning helps prevent the buildup of dust and dirt over time. Address spills immediately. In commercial settings, spills are common. Use your vacuum cleaner to address spills promptly, preventing accidents and damage to the floor. Empty and clean the vacuum properly. Empty the dust canister or replace the bag when it reaches the recommended level. Clean the vacuum cleaner's filters and components regularly to maintain optimal performance. Train your staff. Ensure that your cleaning staff is properly trained in using industrial vacuum cleaners and follows safety guidelines. This reduces the risk of accidents and ensures efficient cleaning. Consider professional services. For deep cleaning or specialized tasks, consider hiring professional cleaning services that have access to advanced commercial floor cleaning machines and industrial vacuum cleaners. In summary, using industrial vacuum cleaners, construction dust vacuums, and commercial floor cleaning machines in small businesses requires careful planning, maintenance, and safety precautions. Choosing the right equipment and following proper cleaning procedures will help you maintain a clean and safe environment for your employees and customers.